Is Hisense a smart TV? Yes, Hisense TVs are smart TVs, offering built-in internet connectivity and access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and more. These features eliminate the need for external devices such as streaming sticks or boxes. Hisense uses different smart platforms depending on the model and region. Many of their TVs run on Android TV, which provides access to the Google Play Store, voice control via Google Assistant, and a wide range of apps. Others use Hisense's proprietary VIDAAU operating system, known for its simplicity and intuitive interface, offering essential apps and smooth performance. In addition to streaming, Hisense smart TVs often include features like screen mirroring, multi-device connectivity, and voice control, making them versatile for modern entertainment needs. Whether you prefer Android TV or VIDAAU, Hisense ensures a connected and user-friendly experience. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.